Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Okay. So before starting to our today's session, I welcome to you our online class again, and I would like to say one more thing, that is stay at home and stay safe. What you have to do? You have to stay at home so that you can protect yourself from the coronavirus. So students, can you recall what we have explained in the last class? Yes, in the last class we have explained and we have completed the explanation section of the chapter number 2, that is the bee. The bee means it's the honey bee. Where the honey bee lives? Where the honey bee stores its nectar? So this is the honeycomb, where the honey bee stores the nectar. Okay students, look, this is the honeycomb and this is the honeybee, and the honeybee flies away from flower to flower. Okay students, so in the chapter what we have discussed what the honeybee does, what are the activities which honeybee performed, and how the honeybee sounds, etc., etc. So these are the things we have explained in the last class. So it's your turn now. It's time to test. Okay, it's time for tasting, so that I can know how much you have grasped. Okay, so let's start our question corner section. So I will ask you the question and you have to answer, so that the class will be very enjoyable. Okay students, so let's turn the page. See students, so this is the question corner section. So first of all, just like the chapter number 1, first we have to read the instructions which has been given in the book. Look, choose the correct answer. So these are the some of the options or the words which have been given, and out of these words we have to find out the correct answer. Okay students, so let's start. What is the sound the bee makes? It's hiss, or it's buzz, or it's moo? It's buzz. So you have to write down your buzz, or you have to put a tick mark like this. So before again I am saying that students, for your convenience and just due to the lack of time, I have already written the answers, and you have to write all these answers in your textbook as well as in the class CW book. Okay students, so but it should be at the end of the or at the completion of the online session. Got it students? So next question, where does the bee store the nectar? It's in a jar, or in the honey cane, or in the honeycomb? Can you say students? Yes, it's in the honeycomb. This one is the, so here the bee stores the nectar. Got it students? Not this in this container, not in this jar. Okay students? Okay, so next, when something is very sweet, we say it is as sweet as what? It's sugar, or honey, or chocolate? It's honey. Okay students, it's honey. Next, what is the home of the bee called? Students, I have already said the home of the bee is called as beehive. Look, this is the beehive. Okay, next, the speaker of the poem doesn't like honey, or loves honey, or likes honey? Yes, the speaker of the poem loves honey. So in this manner the question corner section we have completed. So let's turn the next page. See students, so this is the fill in the blanks chapter. So look, the bee goes buzz dash after dash. The answer will be hour after hour, because we know that the bee goes, it sounds like buzz going from one flower to another flower for hour to hour. Okay students, so its answer is hour after hour. The bee goes buzz from dash to dash. It's flower to flower. Okay students, again I am saying you that students, you have to be very careful regarding the spelling of the each and every words. Okay students, because it's the basic thing. You should be alert about the spelling. Okay students, so next the number 3, the bee goes from flower to flower shucking out the days. What the bee does by flying from flower to flower? It just sucks out the nectar. So the answer is nectar, nectar. Next, the bee makes sweet dash honey. Okay students, so if you have understood the chapter very well, then only you will be able to answer all these questions. Got it? So from this test it can be better known that how much you have grasped. Okay, so let's come to the word corner section. So here we will play our game just with the words. So look students, read the instructions given over here. So rearrange the letters to get meaningful words. The words are all from the poem. So here some of the words have been given which have been collected from the poem. But these words have been written in an not in an arranged manner. That means each and every letter of the word have been written by placing the letter here and there. Okay students, so look, and you have to rearrange these letters to make a meaningful word. So just remember the chapter, just remember the important words of the chapter so that you will be able to write the answer. Look, this is ECTNRA. What will be the meaningful word by rearrangement of the letters? It is nectar, NECTAR. Next, ZUBZ. What will be the meaningful word? That is BUZZ. That is buzz. Next, EBE. It will be BEE. Next, OEYNH. It's honey. HONEY. It's honey. Next, LWEFRO. It's flower. FLOWER. Next, RHUO. It's hour. HOUR. Look students, how easy now? So always you should be, again I am saying that you should be very much careful about the spelling of the words. Okay students, so look, it's nectar, it's buzz, it's bee, it's honey, it's flower, it's hour, and you also know very well the meaning of all these words. Always look students, always try to find out some unknown words which you have not known. You find out those words and try to find out the meaning of that words and try to write those words just for remembering the spelling. For at least for 5 times daily you have to repeat, you have to make a habit of writing these words. Okay students, from daily you just select one chapter and you just write down 5 new words, so that you will gain your word power capacity, and also you will gain the or you will have the control over the spelling of the words. So come to the next question. The words below are spelled wrongly. Write the correct spelling. So before just few seconds I have already told to you that regarding the spelling. So you have to be very much careful about the spelling. So here just to test your the capacity, your spelling capacity, it has been given to you like. So here the letters have been written, or the words have been spelled wrongly, and you have to make a correct spellings. So look, it's HOEM, that is home. HOME. Look, see students, this is SUKCING. So if we will correct the spellings, then the word becomes shucking. SUCKING, shucking. Next, FLIYNG. So here what you have to write? That is flying. FLYING. So this is the correct spelling of the word. Next, HONYCMB, and the correct spelling of the word is honeycomb. HONEYCOMB. Next, SWIET. It's sweet, and the correct spelling of the word is SWEET. It's sweet. See, students.